Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the pattern and workspace. Start with a clean, rigid pattern and calculate metal shrinkage of about 1 to 2% so the final part fits. Next, select the mold medium, sand for robust parts, investment for fine detail, plaster for low-temp alloys, and measure binder at 0. 5 to 2% by weight. Place the pattern in the flask, add parting compound, and pack your first layer while tapping or using a vibrator to remove voids. This prevents defects later. Once done with the initial pack, you form the gating and core systems. Design a sprue, runners, and vents to promote laminar metal flow and trap gases away from the cavity. Compact the mold in controlled layers and make sure to give the binder its required cure time. This reduces deformation during pour. After curing, remove the pattern carefully, inspect the cavity, and install risers and vents sized to the alloy's pouring temperature. These control feeding and reduce porosity in the casting. You finish by preheating the mold if the process requires it. This stabilizes thermal gradients and prevents cold shuts. Pour the alloy at the recommended temperature and allow solidification. Once cooled, break out the mold, clean the gating system, and inspect the casting for defects. If you see porosity, make sure vents and risers are adequate and reduce turbulence. If you get misruns, raise pouring temperature or improve gating. Use these adjustments to iterate quickly and get consistent, usable castings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.